In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create macros in Microsoft Word. Macros are a powerful feature that can save you a great deal of time on repetitive tasks by automating them. Whether you're formatting documents, inserting predefined text, or executing a series of complex steps, macros can handle it with a single command. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to open Microsoft Word on your computer. Begin by locating the Windows Start menu, which is usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the little icon that resembles a window. A simple click on this icon will bring up the Start menu, offering you access to all your applications. Once the Start menu is open, proceed to type Word into the search bar located at the top. As you begin typing, the system will start filtering applications based on your input. You should see Microsoft Word appear in the results fairly quickly. This search feature is incredibly useful for quickly accessing any application without having to scroll through the list. After you've located Microsoft Word in your search results, go ahead and click on it. This action will launch the application, bringing you to its start screen. Here you're greeted with various options, such as starting a new document, opening an existing document, or selecting from a range of templates. However, for our purpose, you can either open an existing document you wish to work with, or start with a new one by clicking on blank document or any template you prefer. With your document open in Microsoft Word, it's time to find the macros feature. Navigate to the View tab located at the top of your Word document. The View tab is part of the ribbon, a set of toolbars at the top of the window that controls Word's various features. Under the View tab, you will find options related to how you view your document, but most importantly for us, you'll find the Macros feature. Within the View tab, look for the Macros button. It might be slightly daunting with all the options available, but the Macros button is usually located towards the right side of the ribbon. A click on the Macros button will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you want to select Record Macros. This option is your gateway to automating tasks within your document. Selecting Record Macros prompts you with a new dialog box. This is where you can name your macro, which is critical for identifying it later. Choose a name that is descriptive of the task your macro will perform, making it easily recognizable. You have the option here to assign a shortcut key to your macro, providing a quick and effortless way to execute it in the future. Choose a combination that you will remember and that isn't already in use by another command to avoid conflicts. After setting up the name and shortcut, you will begin recording your macro. This is where the real magic happens. Every action you take in Word from this point on will be recorded until you choose to stop. Let's say you repeatedly format documents in a certain way, involve several steps like changing font size, adjusting margins, and inserting a header. Perform these steps now as your actions are being recorded. Take your time here. Accuracy is more important than speed. Remember, the macro will execute the steps exactly as you record them. Once you have completed the sequence of actions you wish to automate, it's time to stop recording. To do this, head back to the View tab, click on the Macros button again, but this time select Stop Recording. Congratulations, you've just created your first macro. This macro is now a tool that you can reuse anytime you want to perform the set of actions you recorded, all with a single click or shortcut key, depending on how you set it up. Creating macros in Microsoft Word can significantly enhance your productivity by automating repetitive tasks. Experiment with different actions and don't hesitate to record multiple macros for various tasks you find yourself doing repeatedly. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more familiar you become with creating and using macros, the more you'll discover new ways to save time and streamline your workflow in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and that you're already thinking of all the ways you can use macros to make your work in Microsoft Word more efficient. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy macro recording.